welcome back to my channel. My name is Rajnandini and you see me creating makeup, skincare and beauty related content in my channel. So if you are interested, then do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button right there. All the skincare or all the skin related problem has two things. First is external and the second and the most important thing is the internal. So today I am going to show you what externally what I do for my skin to take care of it, and in my next video I'll be sharing what internally what I have changed in my diet, in my lifestyle, which has helped me to recover my acne or my oily skin. So if you have acne prone and oily skin like I do and you are suffering a lot, then hold on and keep watching this video. There's a lot coming up for you guys. Acne that I had is the acne vulgaris, which is like the tiny texture that you have on your skin, the tiny little bumps all over your face. But in my case, those were around the cheek areas, and those were like literally killing me because I didn't had something like that, and I was really worried like why I'm getting this. I don't know how many products that I've used. I have used a lot of things. I went to doctors. I even tried chemical peeling from the salon, but nothing worked for me. Nothing. And finally, after a lot of research, I came down to this particular skincare, and I'm trying the skincare since I guess 8-9 months, and it has really helped my skin to recover. As I told you, I'll share my external skincare routine today with all you guys. So the external skincare routine always starts with a cleanser. Like first you need to clean your face. So for cleaning my skin, I'll be using Requel Oil Control Face Wash. So this is an oil control face wash. So if you are acne prone and an oily skin type, then it's very important to control your oil and to use something which is non-comedogenic, which will not clog your pores, which the clogged pores are the number one reason and the most important reason for getting acne. So I'll take near about like this much and I'll wash my face, rub and get some like foam onto my hand, and then I'll massage it all over my face, and I'll give a good massage for about 1 minute. So after massaging my face for full 1 minute, I have washed my face and now I'm just patting it dry. So after washing my face, it's very important that you apply a toner, and for toner I am using Mamaearth Vitamin C Face Toner. I take a cotton pad and I just pour some of the toner in it. I'll just apply it in an upward swipe motion. So why I use a vitamin C toner? Because it improves your skin from any kind of sun damage, it purifies your skin, and it also restores the pH balance of your skin, and at the same time it closes the open pores. After toner, it's important that you apply a serum. Now why it's important to apply a serum? Because serum is something that actually goes deep into your skin and tries to resolve the problem, like going deep, because whatever you apply like toner or your moisturizer, it just works on the outer layer, not on the inner layer. So you need something which will go inside and work on your inner layers of your skin. So for that, it's important that you apply a right serum for your skin type. And for serum, I'm using this particular serum. This is the Mamaearth Skin Correct Face Serum. Like as I told you, I have some acne marks now here and there. So it has, this particular serum has niacinamide in it, and we all know how niacinamide is actually helpful for your acne, to recover your acne and the dark spot. And believe me, the day from when I'm using this, the bumps appeared less, and the skin, like the acne marks that is stubborn and it's left on your skin, that is also fading, and it's faded like very fast. So that's why I apply this particular serum. So how I apply is I take a full like one pump of it, and then I apply like this. And then with my fingers I just give a upward circular motion, and I keep massaging unless the serum completely absorbs in the skin. So after applying serum, wait for 2 to 3 minutes so that serum completely absorbs into your skin and it goes deep into your skin before applying a moisturizer. So wait for 3 minutes, and meanwhile what I do is I'll apply under eye cream, and this is the Requel under eye cream. So what I'll do is on my ring finger so on my ring finger I'll take a pea size amount, this much, and I'll just warm it up between both my ring fingers, and then just very gently, be very careful when you are like applying under eye cream. Be very gentle. And why it's important to apply under eye cream? Because we are on our mid-20s and it's the time to start taking care of our under eyes. Otherwise all the stress that we take shows up on our eyes in the form of dark circles and wrinkles. So it's important you apply an eye cream to take care of your beautiful eyes. I've waited for 3 minutes and now it's time to apply the moisturizer. And for moisturizer I'll be using this particular moisturizer. This is the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. I love this moisturizer because it is really non-greasy and non-irritating, and at the same time it's non-comedogenic, and it has really worked for my skin. And you can see it's like almost over. I need to get one more of this, so it's almost over because I've used this a lot. I use this every single day. So what I do is I take a decent amount, like this much amount of the moisturizer, and then I just warm it up between my hands to activate it, and then just I apply it upward. And I give a good massage unless it completely absorbs into my skin. So after you are done with your moisturizer, it's not the end of your skincare routine. There is something more important that you have to apply after you moisturize your skin, and that is your sunscreen. Yes, you heard me right. It's important that you apply a sunscreen after you do all the मेहनत, because you know सब कुछ कर लिया, सीरम लगा लिया, टोनर लगा लिया, मॉइस्चराइज कर लिया, फिर भी स्किन के प्रॉब्लम जाते ही नहीं है. It's because you are not applying your sunscreen. Apply sunscreen every single day, be it indoor or outdoor. बाहर जा रहे हो, अंदर रह रहे हो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. But apply a sunscreen because sun ray and UV rays are more vulnerable to your skin, and it will only damage your skin if you forget to use a sunscreen. And for sunscreen I am using the Mamaearth Hydra Gel Indian sunscreen, and I know I am showing or using a lot of Mamaearth product. It's because it's cheap, it's drugstore. It's cheap, it's drugstore, and the third most important thing is it works. It works for my skin, so I love Mamaearth skincare products at least. So I take a generous amount of sunscreen, like this much, and then I just apply everywhere, like my eyes, all over my face, and my neck. It's important, don't forget your neck. Whatever is left, just bring down to your neck. So I have shown you my skincare routine for daytime. This is this is what I do during morning when I wake up. After brushing my teeth, I just take a bath and I then follow my skincare routine. But at night, more or less the products are same, but there are two products that I don't use at night, but I use something else, and that is my toner and my serum. In the morning you have seen me using this particular toner. This is the Mamaearth Vitamin C Face Toner. But at night I don't use a vitamin C toner. Rather I use this particular magic bottle in my hand. This is the Pixi Glow Tonic, and I know all of you have heard about this, and this actually works as magic. I'll shoot a different video. I have lot of things to say about this particular toner, because most of the recovering has been done by this bottle or this magical potion, and I use it at night as a replacement of my toner, and I use it every single night. For night I don't use this particular serum. I use this one rather because it has retinol in it. It doesn't matter, you can use any brand product. Just see at night you apply a retinol based serum, because you know we are on our 20s. It's something that we are getting into the phase of aging, and to slower the process of aging, it's important that you apply a retinol in it. And I am using the Volameno retinol face serum. It has 0.5% retinol with vitamin E and C and hyaluronic acid. So this is all about my skincare regime. This is the regime that I follow every single day and night. But there are twice a night that I don't use any product on my face. I just wash my face and then I directly apply this particular gel on my face. This is the Sebo Gel Salicylic Acid and Nicotinamide Gel. So this particular gel, what I do, I clean my face, I apply it directly all over my face, and then I go to sleep. It's mentioned that you can apply this twice or thrice in a day, but I apply it once or twice in night in the whole week. Like once or twice in whole week, and that is more than enough for my skin. Maybe if you have more problem, then you can use more, but this really helps to clean your skin, to clean all the gunk. And if you have one or two pimple here and there, you can just take a gel and apply it over there overnight. It does magic to your skin. So this is all about, guys, about my external skincare routine, but this is not the end. I also have an internal procedure that I do every single day, that I follow every single day, not for healthy skin, but for my lifestyle, healthy lifestyle also. So wait for that video. That will come up very soon after I upload this one. You will get the next video will be about my internal skincare routine. And guys, if you love me and love my work, and if you're liking my work, please guys do subscribe to my channel. Guys, do support me and do like, share and comment, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. So wait for my next video, and until then, bye bye.